I'd like to quote one poem written by Maya Angelou. It's entitled, "To Our Grandmothers." It says there, "Every time you see me, I come as one, but I stand as 10,000. For many of you who see me, for many of you who have seen leaders, for many of you who have seen my partner, for many of you who have seen my wife, for many of you who have seen top leaders, when they walk in a room, when they walk in our offices, you see them in awe. Wow, ang galing nila. Wow, they're so cool. Wow, they're so powerful. You know why? Ask me why. Because we never walk alone. I walk with each and every one of you. The reason why you see me as a visionary is because I don't only think of myself. I don't only think of my family. I don't only think of my company. I think of each and every one of you as my family. That's why whenever I walk in this stage, I feel you. Whenever I talk on this stage, I feel you. Whenever I give my vision, I know what you want. Because on each and every passing day, I stand before you as 10,000. Do you want to have a brighter future? Gusto mo ba ang gumanda ang hinaharap mo? You need to feel the power of numbers. Mag-isa ka man ngayon, 5 ka lang ngayon, 10 ka lang ngayon, but I want you to feel the power of this number. 10,000 people, 10,000 dreams, 10,000 families, 10,000 hopes, 10,000 beliefs, 10,000 systems, 10,000 knowing, intending, and loving, 10,000 brothers and sisters, 10,000 fathers, 10,000 mothers, 10,000 sons and daughters, cheering you up, praying for you, praying for all of our dreams to come true. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. I want you to feel the numbers. Clasp your arms. Clasp your hands. Put it in your chest. Feel the power of numbers. Say, I come as one. I come as one. I stand as 10,000. I stand as 10,000. Keep on saying that. I come as one. I come as one. I stand as 10,000. Pag dumating yung time na lulungkot ka na, pag dumating yung time na halos mag-give up ka na, if time will come that you would want to give up, remember this day, feel the numbers, feel the power of 10,000. Each and every one of us is cheering for your dreams, cheering for your future, praying for a bright future, empowering each and every one of us. We are your power. You guys are my power. I feel you. You're my passion. When you get out of this arena, I want you to think and feel hindi ka nag-iisa. All of us is with you. All of us is praying for your dreams. All of us is praying for a brighter future. One last time. Everybody say, I come as one. I stand as 10,000. When you do your presentation, when you do your prospecting, when you do your training, you stand as 10,000 along with each and every one of us. God bless. I love you all. Empower your future!